Welcome to technical drawing. Today we are going to draw front view, top view and right hand side view in first angle. This is an object. When you see from here, this is front view, top view and right hand side view. If you see length is 20 plus 20, 40 plus 25, 65 plus 15, 80. Length is 80. Height is 55 and width is 35. So what we will do, first we'll draw horizontal line. Then we'll take height. How much is the height? 55. So I'll take 55 up. I'll leave 10 and then I'll mark 35 down. This way we can draw, right? Length is how much? 80. So I can mark 80 over here. After that, you take 45 degree. And from here you take 45 degree. Wherever it will cut, from there you go up. From here also, you take this point up. This is how it will come. This is front view, top view and right hand side view. Box. So we are done with the box. Now when you see from the front, you will see this part in front and this part. And if you see, there is a slope. So what we will do, first we will draw a slope. How much is this? 30. So I'll take 30. How much is this height? 20. And you draw the slope. Right? This height is vertical. And this is horizontal, but we have this slot. It's 20. Then we have 25. Again, we have 20. And then we have 15. Then you take this up. Now, how much is this height? 15. So take 15. And you draw horizontal line. And from here you draw vertical line. And this height is 15. You go up by 15. This is how front view will look like. This part and this part. Now we'll see top view. So when you see from the top, you'll see this rectangle. So that I can project from here. So it'll be full dark. I can draw horizontal line from here as well as from here. Right? Then this, it goes inside. That I can project from here. How much is this? 15. So take 15. Draw a line. Down. This way it will come. Right? Now there will be dotted line in top view. First is this, see this part, right? And this part. So what we'll do, we'll extend this and we'll extend this. This one will be dotted. And this line, this is dotted. Dotted. This is top view. Side view. When you see from the side, you extend from here. You extend from here. part. Then we have this part. You extend from here like this. And you extend this. See this. This is what you will see in side view plus this part. Right? Then this dotted line. When you see from here, you can't see, right? Height is 15. So that dotted line we need to draw. So we are done with front view, top view, and right hand side view in first angle. I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.